Scientists do not fear that the polar vortex will trigger the next ice age. In fact, the polar vortex itself is not a sign of an impending ice age, but rather a natural atmospheric phenomenon that occurs regularly in the Earth's polar regions. It's important to clarify this misunderstanding and provide some context. The polar vortex is a large area of low pressure and cold air that typically circulates in the stratosphere above the North and South poles. During the winter months, it can expand and influence weather patterns in mid-latitude regions, such as North America and Europe. This can lead to cold snaps and extreme winter weather events. While the polar vortex can bring severe cold weather, it does not signify the onset of a new ice age. Ice ages are long-term climatic events characterized by widespread glaciation and last for tens of thousands to millions of years. The Earth has experienced multiple ice ages throughout its history, with the most recent one ending approximately 10,000 years ago. Current scientific understanding suggests that we are currently in an interglacial period, a relatively warmer phase between ice ages. Human activities, including the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, have led to an increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which is causing global temperatures to rise. This is leading to climate change, characterized by overall warming, melting polar ice, and changing weather patterns. The concern among scientists is not about an imminent ice age, but rather about the consequences of climate change. They are studying the polar vortex and its behavior because changes in the Arctic, including diminishing sea ice, can influence its dynamics and impact weather patterns in other regions. In summary, scientists are not fearing an impending ice age caused by the polar vortex. Instead, they are closely monitoring the polar vortex and the broader effects of climate change, which include rising global temperatures and changing weather patterns. It is essential to rely on accurate scientific information and research to understand these complex topics and their potential implications for our planet's future.